everyone. So, as you can see, Kamil's day is full. We did Gymboree, we did daily devotion, and all we have left is wash day. So, Kamil, are you ready for wash day? It's wash day today. Say hooray, hooray. It's wash day today. Say hooray. It's wash day today, and we're gonna have some fun. All right, so it's about to be wash day, and we are here with Reagan Sanai. So they've sent us some goodies to try, and we're going to deep condition Kamil's hair. So I'm really excited to show you guys. So come along with us on this journey. All right, we're gonna get started. So we have a rosemary hibiscus, and I'll show you guys this later. Gel. We have an aloe refreshing spray. We have a growth oil. We have shampoo, which we're gonna use right now. We have mango butter souffle, which you can actually use on your skin. Again, I'm gonna show you guys close up later. Thank you, my love. And we have a deep conditioner. Okay, so this is why I wear this fun shirt, because it gets really wet. And sometimes I do it in the bathroom, but he's just at an age where he wants to explore. So let's look. Okay, it's like a brown color. It smells really amazing, and the texture is a little bit like gooey. All right, so getting that all in. And as you can see, he has a little bit of a bald spot in the back. It's growing back actually. So we're gonna go all in with it. I'm gonna show you guys again. Can you guys see? All right, so I'm working it in, massaging his little scalp. And then I use this to kind of, you know, make sure it's nice and wet throughout. And Kamil actually has dry scalp, dry skin. And what I really love about this brand is that it started because of a need, right? The owner's daughter, who is Reagan Sanai, actually has dry skin and eczema, and so she started because she wanted to have something really good for her daughter. So I'm just gonna start by, all right. It comes off really, really clear, which is good. His hair feels very clean, but it does still feel moisturized, so that's good. All right, thank you, babe. All right, so we've opened it up, and look at this. I like this. Look, it looks very organic. That's what I will say. That's probably a lot, so I'm gonna put a little bit back. And then I'm gonna take it. Kamil, we're going to condition your hair. So we're going to run it through. And I think a lot of people don't talk about boy hair, and you know, they just kind of like do whatever, but I really, really love the texture of his skin. I would love any texture, by the way, but I do love that, and I want to nurture it, and I do think sometimes it's quite dry. So I'm really excited to kind of get that moisture going in there. All right. And then I'm going to follow it up with some growth oil from my baby. Do you like it, Kamil? Yes. Yeah. All right, so, okay, so it comes off clear, as you guys can see. And then, yeah, good boy. All right, guys, so off camera, we lotioned his skin and put some clothes on temporarily because he's may get wet again. And this is the hard part, the part he doesn't like. So I'm gonna put some water in here. It's quite warm. So when you deep condition, yeah, wow, nice and warm. Ah, nice and warm. Wow, yes, nice and warm. Look at how luscious his curls are. All right, one more time. All right, so, all right. Okay. All All right, so immediately while it's wet like this. All right, so now he has his little comfy chair. It's really a footstool, but he loves it. All right, and here's your toy. And so we're gonna go right in with wet here, okay? It's very luscious. I love it, yeah. All right, I'm gonna go in again with the growth oil. And I'm kind of gonna really focus on the little ball spot. Sit down, my love. All right. Okay, so this is closed, so he can play with it. So like I said, I'm gonna go in. All right, Kamil. Look, 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 here.
If you're standing on your nose, clap your hands.
Yeah, clap your hands. All right, so I'm gonna go in. And I'm kind of going in the LOC method. So leave in, oil, and then cream. So then, you know, I did the leave in because I left, so basically I left a little bit of the deep conditioning in so that it can still be luscious. Then oil. Yeah, good job. You're stacking. Whatever's gonna get his attention, to be honest. All right, now that we've done that, we are going to do, so we've done that. We have the gel, which I'm not gonna use right now. And then I also have the refreshing spray, which is like detangling. I'll just pour just a little bit on there, just to see. And it's like waterish consistency. I really like that. I'm gonna cover this up so he can play with this one instead. All right, stack this on this. Good job, Kamil. I'm gonna need my husband to do this. My hands are wet. It's like a shea butter consistency. I really like that. So you kind of just dig your hand in there and it's like a shea butter. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna warm it up with my hand a little bit. See, warm it up. And it is kind of like a grainy texture, but again, shea butter. All right, let's go back here. And how does it smell? This is mango, and it's giving mango. It's giving mango, but it's giving like mango shea butter, okay? So I'm gonna run it through from the tip. All right.
1, 2, 3,
so I'm going to attempt to cornroy. I can't say that word. How do you guys say that? Cornroy? All right. Okay. It's a struggle. All right. Here's a book. A book of colors, Kamil. Okay. So now that we have his attention, I'm going to... Red. Can you say red, Kamil? Red. And these are not the kind of cornrows I'll keep in his hair. Stay still. These are just for overnight to lock in the moisture. As you can see, I didn't even use a comb. As you can see, it looks crazy because he's moving. You want tut-tucks? 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 Okay. Okay. So I'm going to breastfeed him, and that way he is distracted but happy. So again, that's a little bit like a grainy material. So let's see if it dries into his hair. And instead of the cornrows, I'm just gonna do twist. It's quite long. You can kind of see his curls, and I'm just going to twist out of his face. It's a little awkward because, like I said, the angle. Instead of mango, it's kind of smells very citrusy, kind of. All right, so I just have one more, and the back is a little, you know, short. So again, this is just to keep it out, and in the morning, I'll show you guys kind of how it looks. Let me see if I can get this. It's kind of short, so I don't really usually worry about the size, but let's just see. Because it helps us to lock in the moisture as much as possible. And you can see some of the pieces there. She did let me know that happens sometimes, you know, because it's natural, and what to do to fix it, but I kind of just went with it like that. All right, so he's done. But now he's breastfeeding. Okay. So now that he's breastfeeding, I'll talk to you guys a little bit. So I'm going to be spending 90 days with Reagan Sanai. Now I've tried a lot of products that I like, but I'm really looking for that product that I love. I already love their story and kind of love their why. And so I'm excited to be a part of their family and kind of go with you for 90 days to tell you, the real, right? I'm gonna be honest, they did gift it to me. And so this is a partnership. However, I want to be honest, right? And so look at how he looks. Isn't he so cute? Kamil, you are so cute. Gonna blow a kiss to the camera? Say bye-bye. You don't want to? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah, thank you. All right, guys, so I'll show you in the morning kind of how it looks. Yeah, mwah. Hey guys, so this is the next morning. As you can see, it's just the twist that I created, but look at how nice and shiny his hair is. I love it.